Let's be real. Sometimes we eat too much junk, which makes our skin break out, which makes us feel bloated, makes us feel sluggish, and just the likes. You can keep naming them. But guess what? These three powerful detox juices that we'll make today will help you flush out those toxins, boost your energy, and make your skin glow. The best part is they are super easy to make, so let's get started. The first ingredient I'll be using today for the best green juice is kale. Also, we use celery, about 5 to 6 stalks of celery. We're making use of a few ginger, cucumber, about 6 small ones. If you're using the big ones, we can make it three, and two green apples. Green apples will add natural sweetness to it and also keep your blood sugar in check. The celery will help you flush out those excess water and also reduce bloating. And besides this, celery is good for your gut health. If you don't know what gut means, gut is your stomach. Ginger is for digestion and it helps boost your immunity. Of course, cucumber helps you stay hydrated and it is very good for digestion. The kale is loaded with nutrients that will help detox the liver and make you feel better. All you have to do is to place all of them in a juicer and juice. Next up is our golden glow juice. Yeah, I call it golden glow juice because it takes care of your skin. Don't think this is just fallacy. This is one of the juices that I make that makes me glow naturally. So I'm using a pineapple, 2 oranges, about 10 carrots. They are mid-sized carrots. I'm going to also add turmeric and black pepper. So this is what it is. The pineapple helps detoxify and aids digestion. The carrots are loaded with beta carotene, which gives your skin that natural healthy glow. Oranges are high in vitamin C and they are great for your immune system. The turmeric and black pepper is just the combo for fighting inflammation and it helps boost your metabolism. One thing about this juice that I must mention is when you take it, your digestive system will just be working fast in the sense that after some hours you will feel hungry. So you just have to chop up all the ingredients and put in your juicer and juice. If you don't have a juicer, you can also use your blender. It is very easy. Just chop them into small bite pieces and put them in your blender. Add a cup of water or a little more and blend. After blending, you put them up and you pour them in your sieve. If you have a sieve, pour them in your sieve. If you don't have a sieve, you can use your milk bag or your nut bag or whatever sieving bag you have. You can use it and sieve out the juice. It's still same thing. So there is no excuse for anyone that want to say, oh, I don't have a juicer, so I can't make this juice. Nah, 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 nah. That's a no. So after this whole process of preparing and cutting up the juice, like I said, I put mine in my Nama J2 juicer, which is the juicer I'm using. I may wonder why I'm using it. I know I've said it in a lot of my videos. Nama J2 juicer is my go-to juicer. I love it because after so many recommendations, I bought it and I am loving it so far. It has not failed me one day, and I don't think it will fail you too. If you need a link to the juicer, you can put it in the comments and I'll send you a link, or I'll try to put it in the description if I lay my hands on it. The purpose of this video, I'm making use of ground turmeric and ground black pepper, and that's because of personal reasons. One of the reasons I'm using this ground turmeric is because turmeric has a way of staining my juicer, which I don't like. It makes the color kind of look dull, and because of that, I decided to go for this option of the ground one, which I will mix in at the end of the juice. But if you have your fresh turmeric, you can add your fresh turmeric, and if you have black pepper, you can also add the fresh ones if you have. It's just a personal preference, and I've explained why. But in some of my other videos where I used turmeric, I used the fresh one. And again, another reason is because this turmeric is the easiest you can always find in others. When you get to the stores, it's always quite difficult to see the fresh turmeric. So once in a while, I find it, and anytime I lay my hands on it, I use it. I may not use it in my juicer, but I'll use it in my blender for smoothies. At this point, I've done cutting up all the ingredients and it's now juicing. Another reason I love this juicer is because it squeezes out all the juice, if not all, like almost all. It squeezes out everything very well, and gives it that it gives me that assurance that my fruits are not wasted. So this is another reason to get this juicer if you can. But there are other juicers in the market that are not so pricey, or that are cheaper to get, that you can also use. You can, any juicer of your choice, please try and get a juicer. It will make your life very easy. Just look at this bright orange color. This juice is just liquid sunshine in a glass. It is sweet, it's tangy, and it is slightly spicy from the ginger and turmeric. If you ever need a glow up, this is the juice to make. Don't let anybody deceive you. This is the juice to make, and before long, you start glowing. You can try this recipe and put it in the comments if you've tried it before. Let me know. Can you relate with the fact that this juice is the perfect glow up juice? Moving on, this to our third detox juice. This one was made from apples, 3 large beets, 2 lemons. I used the regular apples this time, and I added a bit of ginger. So I've explained all the nutritional facts about these ingredients, but beet is the one I have not mentioned. I think beet, and so beet is amazing for detoxing or detoxifying your liver and your blood. And one thing I would also mention here is that if you ever feel like you're feeling dizzy, or you're low in your blood level, please just run and get beets. I'll do another video on beets, particularly just beets, because this is a natural powerhouse that people hardly talk about, or they don't even know. So we are done with our 3 detox juices. As you can see, is it even juice or juices? Well, sometimes I call it juice, sometimes I call it juices. Please just pardon me and just take it like that. Anyone works. Here you have the 3 powerful detox juices that will reset your body, boost your energy, and help you get your glow back. This is no fallacy. This is real. You really have to try these 3 different detox juices. If you have indulged, tell yourself the truth and get a detox juice. Don't buy from the store. Make yours, because it is pretty easy. Anybody can do it. As you can see, I made these 3 juices in less than 3 hours. So when I come your way next time, this is the way I batch juice for the week, so you can make them in bulk and store in your fridge. Thanks for watching, and thanks for following me up until this point. I hope you like. Share your comments. Let us also know which of these detox juices you've tried, so that people can also learn and know that it is relatable. Please subscribe if you haven't, and share to your friends and family till I come your way next time. Bye.